times can you press the ring on in 20 seconds? Test your pectoralis majors. So how many do you think we can do, you guys? How many do you think I can do? I want to see you place bets. Place some bets, everybody. How many times do you think I can press the ring in 20 seconds? How many times? Let me see those guesses. 100, 1, 5, 24, 15, 25, 70, 50. Alright. Wow, really 1? You guys don't have much faith in me, do you? 35, 30, 25, 100. Okay, the goal is 69. Nice. My goal is 100, alright? This is the warm-up. Let's try a warm-up. Alright.
Ready? Go.
1, 2.
Keep it up.
Oh, I like this.
Keep it up. You can do a little more. Keep it coming.